you want to see some more drawings? I have here on the back of my notebook. Wait. This is my school. And kept this ready. The next, this is like the first one, the third one.
First question natin, very girly para sa'yo talaga to. Yes? Okay. But of course, let's welcome Miss Maria.
This is the theme of my school and the basketball team.
Hands out the dressor. I'm sure alam na alam mo ito ba yung makikita ka naman, okay? Alright. Sa laman ng isang titigit, ano sa igyet ang chari?
The science book. It's what's going to sound.
Abi, bawat ka tumingin sa mga nasa paligid mo, kailangan sa amin ka lang tumingin. Yes, pero pwede ka
This is a wonderful drawing. This is my EPP note. Here the first. It's only mine.
No! Pero walang bahay. Freezer ito. Saan ba ginagamit ang freezer? Ayun ang freezer. So meron ka nagkanta.